I don't typically do 2 videos in a day, but I'm going to do it today because the weather got bad again. And the windshield is frozen solid. Doesn't happen often, but it does happen. We are in Hollister. Traffic is pretty light. Nobody wants to drive in this stuff. We are coming up on Lake Taneycomo. Traffic's moving between 10 to 20, depending on whether you're 2-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, or 4-wheel drive. The city did sand the roads, but it is really slick. I can see a slide off right here where someone hit that sign. We are crossing the bridge now, coming up to Branson Landing Boulevard, and it is just an ice slick out here. 21 degrees, slow moving traffic. Bass Pro Shops is on the right. My windshield is cracked. I need to get it fixed. It actually cracked due to frigid cold. It got so cold that the windshield just cracked, and I haven't got it fixed yet. We're on Main Street now. The little SUV in front of us is sliding pretty bad, but it looks like they're gonna make it to the top. You never see Main Street this empty unless the weather is like this. I gotta get moving a little bit so I make it. I didn't even spin or slide. I have mud and snow tires and 4-wheel drive. The tow truck in front of us, if you can see it, is spinning out sideways. Imagine that, the tow truck. Wow, everything is closed downtown. This is what you get in Branson. When the weather's like this, everything shuts down. We wanted to get into the bank today, but that's not going to happen. Welcome to Branson. This guy's going backwards down the hill. He wasn't able to make it up. And we just passed an accident. The tow trucks are going to be busy today for sure. We just saw the city out plowing. They do a good job of taking care of our roads. Yes, in Grand Country now. Talk about a good buffet. Branson Duck Tours on the left. Another car stuck. Passing the aquarium now. Wonderworks is on the right. Pancho Villa has some pretty good Mexican food. I haven't eaten at Longhorn Steakhouse, but I've heard that it's good. Local Flavor on the left is a must. Get and basted if you want some wonderful barbecue. Cheddar's is a new restaurant here. I know it's a chain restaurant, but it's new to Branson. Wax Museum on the left. Always cool to look at King Kong. Ferris wheel on the right and helicopter tours. Little ATV out spreading salt, plowing. Believe it or not, golf is, but pretty cool looking place. We are on Shepherd of the Hills Expressway now. Very, very quiet day today in Branson. Schools are closed. Most of the restaurants and shops are closed. I think I'm going to end this video. We'll be posting more videos like this regularly. We live here in town, and well, just north of town actually, but be sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment. Let me know what your requests are. We go out to Big Cedar, top of the rock. We love Dogwood Canyon, and we do a lot of hiking, so let us know what you want to see, and we'll post a video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.